hair is so high right now. Say hello! Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing some makeup while I show you this little girl. So yes, as you can see, there is a little puppy. If you know, in my last video, one of my last videos that I did, no, my last video that I did, hi! It's okay, I'm right here, baby. In the last video that I did, I talked about wanting a dog, like so bad, or just an animal in general, like so bad. I'll get into all of that, but let me do like this intro thing.
Hi.
I'm so excited! Oh my god, I'm literally so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna be playing with the brand new Pat McGrath and Star Wars collection today. I got this in the mail not too long ago and I'm so excited. I want to play with it and I want to show you guys. So please do not mind this nail right here. I need to paint my nails again, so I apologize that it kind of looks like poo-poo butthole. I'm gonna do my makeup and talk to you about this new little girl that's in my life. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. So, elephant in the room. I know that I talked in one of my last videos how much I wanted an animal. And literally, I saw her. So that exotic adoption pet store that I was talking about, they have a Facebook page, and I went onto it after I finished filming that day, and then I saw her on the Facebook page and I was just like,
oh my gosh.
Like an epiphany happened. The stars aligned and I was just like, I have to go see this puppy. So we were already gonna go make a trip over to that pet store place just to kind of look and see, but then I saw her and I was just like, I really want to go see. So we made a trip over there and then we got to play with her a little bit. Like they took us into one of those rooms to where you can kind of like play with them and have them walk around and stuff like that, and we did, and she was so great. She was so cute. She was so playful. She was very cuddly. Long story short, me and Raph knew we just had to pick her up. I know Raph was more of a cat person, but he does like little dogs, and it's just so perfect. I'm so obsessed. I'll be talking more about her later, but I do want to get into this really quick. This is the brand new Star Wars collection with Pat McGrath Labs. This is not currently available anymore, and I actually did not get this when it launched. I had to go on Poshmark because I missed the launch. And I did pay a little bit extra for this palette because I wanted it so bad. This was the one that I wanted. I didn't really care much for the Decadence, and then I loved the C-3PO one, but I wanted one and I knew that I was gonna have to pay more because I didn't get it when it came out, so I really wanted this one. So this one is the more purpley tones and I'm super into it. I know that this palette's not available, so I do apologize that I am still reviewing it and using it for you guys, but I do want to play with this at least once on camera. I won't do it anymore because I know that it is not available, but here are the colors. They're so beautiful. I have swatched them. I haven't used them on my eyes yet, but I have swatched them. We're gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna take this matte shade. It is called Venomous Void. I'm gonna take that and then just put this drop this beat in the crease. I'm gonna put this in the crease. And then really lightly. You just kind of put it all over the eye, but I'm gonna do it super light-handed because Pat's shadows really can pack a punch. So we got to the store. I didn't tell Raph that I had saw her on the Facebook page just yet because I just wanted to kind of see what he thought about her. I wanted to see, you know, if he ended up, you know, vibing with her. And after we kind of got in that room, we both, I mean, I fell in love with her when I saw her online, but he really fell in love with her while we were playing together because she is so playful. She's so bloody cute. Like, she's just like a little baby girl and I love her to bits. Her name is Kiva. I'll have it right here. It is a Irish name. I saw a girl, I can't remember her name. I'll find the video and have it linked below. But she was reviewing, or not reviewing, but like she was talking about Irish baby names for girls. And she said this one and I was just like, oh my gosh, it is so, so cute. It is spelled very strange because it is Irish, so they do have a different grammar system. And by no means am I trying to say that Irish grammar or Irish people or the Irish language is strange in any way. I should not have said that word. It's just the way that it's spelled is very different. I did not mean that in a bad way. I named her Kiva because I love the Irish grammar system. It's very interesting, so I'm just very pointing that out. Over there, but I love it so much, but it is pronounced Kiva. She is a Maltese and Bichon mix, and she's the love of my life. I love her so much. She's playing with this little toy. So basically when we got her, we got like also a cage and some stuff. There was like this set that you can get, and I got like a nice big cage to where she has plenty of room and she'll grow into it, so she'll never need another crate. I hate saying the word cage. She'll never need another crate. Then we are crate training her, but it came with shampoo, a leash, you know, wee pads, because she doesn't have all of her shots yet. She can't go outside to go to the bathroom, so she's, you know, learning like house training and going in like those little wee pads. It came with those. It came with, you know, food, wet food and dry food. It came with a bunch of other stuff, and it was so nice. It even came with food, like water and food bowls. I loved it. So we got that, and then adopted her, and it was just, I'm so excited. Next, I'm going to go into the shade right here. It is this deep shade that is called Smoked Amethyst. I do believe that this shade right here is already in one of her other palettes. This one, it is a repeat. Hello, gorgeous. But I'm going to put that on the outer corner just to kind of deepen up everything a bit. It's not like a matte shade. Like, it is matte, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. But if you put it, like, if you work it in, the shimmer kind of just falls off, and then you have basically a matte shade. Man, I love Pat McGrath shadows. They're just so nice. In my opinion, they're lovely. I'm obsessed with them. But back to Kiva. We brought her home, and then she was so good. She was kind of scared because obviously it's her first time leaving. She was born in November. I actually have the date. She was born November 13th of last year, of 2019, of last year, and she is going to keep me sane and keep me company. And I'm so excited, and I can cuddle with her. She's very cuddly. She loves kind of just being around me and Raph, and she's just so happy, and I love it so much. We are crate training her. We're trying to make sure that she understands that her crate is a very safe place to go. Whenever we're asleep, she does sleep in her crate as well. And we've had her for a couple of days now, and she's done pretty good. The first night she did cry quite a bit, but the second, like last night, she did really well. I only had to get her out once to go potty, and then after that she was fine. I feel like when you crate train a puppy, you have to just keep your wits about you, because they don't want to be in there, and they're gonna let you know that they don't want to be in there until they realize that it's a safe space, and just kind of keep her in there even if she does whine a little bit, because she will quit. She does quit. After a while, she doesn't, you know, just keep doing it. And then, like, once she figures out that you're not gonna let her out again, for right now, anyways, then she settles down and she's totally fine. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Saturnalia, this one, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I haven't seen a shade like this in one of these 6-pan palettes from Pat McGrath. Normally, I feel like she saves these ones for her 10-pan palettes. Oh yes, it's gonna be a very dark look today. I'm not going anywhere, so we can just kind of play around and do what we want today. Wow, this shade is gorgeous. I definitely look like a Disney villain right now, but I'm excited. I'm fine with it. I'm totally fine with it. I wore a purple shirt because I knew I was gonna be doing purples, but I didn't know about the red. But the red is definitely a pleasant Surprise. There's a few toys that came with her crate like bundle thing, and she's playing with one of them right now. It's like this this dried pig's ear or something. I don't actually know what it is, but she's obsessed with it. She freaking loves it, and I'm just like, yay, I'm glad you like it. But the thing that she loves to chew on the most that I really wish that she wouldn't do are cords. She really loves to chew on cords, and I wish that she wouldn't do that because she's gonna end up like knocking over the router. I'm afraid it's gonna fall over and like hit her, and I'm really scared of that, and I don't want that to happen. If anyone has any like tips on how to like train a dog not to bite your cords or bite your feet, she loves feet. Like I know some people say that you can like spray her with some water or something like that. I don't know how effective that is or not effective. I genuinely have no clue. This is not my first time having dogs. I've had dogs my entire life, but this is my first time having a dog literally like on my own with another person, like with Raph. But Raph has never had an animal. That's totally fine. But I haven't had one like on my own, like my own dog. It's normally been like a family dog kind of thing, but this is like my dog, you know? I'm gonna go into the face now. This is all we're gonna do for the eyes. Again, it's very avant-garde. It's very dark today, but I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. Nope, that's not what it's called. The Silk Canvas. I feel like it gives you a very nice, flawless base. But here's the baby. Oh, she's like, oh, I wanna go. She's such a good little girl. She's such a good girl. She is the best girl. She's best girl. I'm so happy, and I just can't wait. At this now, I know Raph really wants a cat. Like I really know he does. I don't think we're gonna get one. Oh, hello. We're not gonna get one. Baby, I don't want you to fall off. I don't want you to fall off the bed. I don't think we're gonna get one right now. I did mention it to him. I was like, hey, I know you really want a cat. I know that you want Kiva and the cat to get along, so maybe it's a good idea to get one while they're, both like babies, just so they'll grow up together. But he was like, no, I don't know about that right now. And I was like, yeah. So I don't think we're gonna get any other animal right now. Maybe later on for sure. But I think right now we have her, and she's literally all we need right now. And going back in with the Tarte Beauty Sponge, I swear I love this thing. But every other person in the place where we got her also was like, oh my gosh, she's the cutest thing. There was one person that was like, are you planning on getting her? And I was like, I don't know, I think so. And then they were basically like, well, if you don't, let me know, because if you don't get her, I'm going to. And I was like, it actually kind of scared me. So I was really nervous because I thought that I was gonna have to put her back. I didn't know if there was a place that we could, play with her. And I asked, and they said, yeah, there's a place downstairs that we could let you play with her. And I was like, oh my gosh, yay, because I was really afraid. Like genuinely, like literal fear that I was gonna put her down and then someone else was going to just snatch her right up. And I was just, I can't let that happen. She's my doggo. Like, I can't let that happen. She's just in my lap and she's just chilling. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. And I felt bad because I just had to get up and she was asleep and I just had to get up and like wake her up to turn my camera off and back on. I have this little stuffed animal that she's obsessed with. It's of a cat. Hopefully that means that she already likes cats. So whenever we do get a cat, she's gonna be like,
hey, you're my friend.
I'm trying to make this video a little bit quicker than normal just because I forgot to charge my camera battery after I filmed last video, and now my camera battery is on like 2 battery points or 2 battery power, and I'm just like, I'm afraid that it's just gonna die mid-film, and I don't have another battery as a backup, so I would have to charge this one for like 3 hours and then come back. And I don't want to have to do that, so. And also, I'm trying to decide on if I want to keep her on, because right now she is eating a dry food and a wet food. The food that she is eating is the same kind that came in that little crate thingy, came with food as well. And it has wet food and dry food, and they said there that she was eating both of them and that she liked both of them. So I don't know if I want to keep her on the wet food because she really loves the wet food, like a lot. Then the dry food, she normally she doesn't eat the whole thing at one time, like she'll go to it, take 1 or 2 pieces and just run around with it and then eat it when she wants, but she doesn't sit there and eat the whole thing like she does with the dry food. She gobbles up that the wet food rather. She gobbles up that wet food like it's gonna go away. So I don't know which one I want to keep her on. If you guys have any tips, please let me know. I'm a first time, like I've owned dogs. Like I've had dogs in the past, but this is my first time having one by myself. So if you have any tips, please let me know. I'm actually gonna go in with, this is by Gigi Gorgeous. This is her The Only Blush Duo. It's in the shades Authentic and Pride. It is Authentic, I believe, and then this one is Pride. I normally do not like a shimmery blush, but I am gonna go ahead and just mix the two and see what I think. I have not used this. I got it in an Ipsy bag maybe like a month ago. It is very shimmery. Maybe I'll just use the matte side because the shimmery part is quite shimmery and I don't like shimmery blush all too much, but the regular matte side is very pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and then I will be right back. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna go back into the Star Wars palette right here and I'm gonna take a little bit of that Venomous Void shade, the matte shade right here, and I'm going to run that on the lower lash line. For inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It is called Cosmic. Oh wow, it's very pink. I kind of knew that. I knew it was going to be pink, but, well, it's very pink. But you know what? We're going for a galactic look today. I already look like a Disney villain, so it's okay. It is a really pretty shade, though. I am digging that shade. I actually forgot to get highlight. I swear, I keep getting up and I feel so bad. I may not use highlight today because she's on my lap, and I've gotten up to turn my camera off and back on like 4 times, and I feel so bad about it. So we may just skip highlight. Or I may do it afterwards or something, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes real quick. Okay, mascara is on, so now all we're gonna do is lips. Very simple for this. I'm just gonna use this Kylie lip liner again in the shade Coconut just to align my lips. That was so weird. And then I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop. This is the Luxe Liquid Lip and it's in the shade Beast. This is a little more pink, like peachy than I thought that it was gonna be, so I'm actually not gonna use this one. I'm actually gonna use the Dose of Colors Liquid Lip in the shade Truffle. And that's that. I freaking love this liquid lipstick. I can't talk. I love this liquid lipstick so freaking much. And yeah, you guys, this has been the completed look using the brand new Star Wars x Pat McGrath palette. I'm super in love with this palette. I think it's beautiful. This shade right here called Smoked Amethyst, it is very pretty. I did have a tiny bit of issue working with it in the on the outer corner because I don't think it's meant to be like a deepening shade. I think it's meant to be like an all over kind of matte shadow, but with a little bit of sparkle, like a sequin shade, if you will. But in the end, I still really liked it a lot. The first shade blended out so well. This shade, Saturnalia, I'm obsessed with it. I love it to bits. Everything else, this Gigi Gorgeous blush, I really did enjoy. I like the matte side a lot more than the shimmer side, so I think if I use this again, I will definitely use the matte side by itself. But yeah, I'm kind of in love with this. I think it's very pretty. Obviously, this is quite a dark look. I do like it though. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. She is so sleepy. Yes, you are, baby. You're such a sleepy girl. That's gonna be the end of the video today, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, then click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!